Okay students, in this chapter we are study about fluid mechanics. So start with the introduction. It is the branch of science which deals with the study of behavior of fluid at rest as well as in motion. Thus this branch of science deals with static, dynamic, kinematic aspect of fluid. The study of fluid at rest is called fluid static. Study of fluid in motion called when the pressure is at taken into pound it's called dynamics. When study of fluid in motion where pressure forces are not considered called fluid kinematics. Physical properties of fluid: density or mass density of fluid. It is the ratio of mass fluid to its volume. Thus mass per unit volume of fluid is called density. It is denoted by rho. Unit of mass density kg per meter cube. Density of fluid may be considered as constant, but density of gases changes with variation of pressure and temperature. Rho is equal to mass of fluid upon volume of food. Its unit is kg per meter cube. Value of density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Specific weight or weight density is the ratio of weight of fluid to the volume of fluid, denoted by omega is equal to weight of fluid upon volume of fluid, denoted by omega, and its unit is kilonewton per meter cube. Thus weight per unit volume is called weight density. Unit of weight density is kilonewton per meter cube. Omega equal to W upon V, where omega is equal to m into g upon V. M by V equal to rho. Omega equal to rho into g. Weight density of water is 9.81 or 9810 Newton per meter cube. Specific volume is defined as volume of occupied unit mass. Volume per unit mass of the fluid is called specific volume. Volume of fluid upon mass of fluid. 1 upon mass of fluid upon volume of fluid equal to 1 by rho. Specific gravity is defined as ratio of weight density of fluid to the weight density of standard fluid. For liquid, standard fluid is taken as water. For gases, standard fluid is taken as air. Specific gravity is called as relative density. It is dimensionless quantity. It is denoted by S equal to weight density of liquid upon weight density of standard liquid equal to 1000 W upon 1000. W is equal to S into 1000. Weight density is equal to S into weight density of standard liquid. Weight density of liquid equal to S into 9.81. Calculate specific gravity of 1 liter of liquid, which is 7 Newton. To find specific weight per density, weight upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Specific gravity equal to weight density of liquid upon weight density of standard liquid equal to 7 upon 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 7000 Newton per meter cube. Density equal to mass upon volume equal to W upon G upon V was 7 upon 9.81 upon 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 713.55 Newton per kg per meter cube. Specific gravity, weight density upon liquid upon weight density of standard liquid, 7 upon 9810, 0.714. Calculate specific weight of liquid of 1 liter petrol whose specific gravity is 0.7. Density equal to S into 1000. 0.7 into 1000, 7000 kg per meter cube. Specific weight upon volume, mg upon v, rho into g. Weight equal to specific weight equal to W equal to the omega into volume, 6867 into 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3, 6.867. Viscosity is the resistance offered to movement or one layer of liquid over another adjacent layer. When two layers of fluid discharge by upward movement one over another at a different velocity, say u and u plus v, as shown in figure, the viscosity together relative velocity causes shear stress between them. The top layer causes shear stress on the adjacent lower layer, stress on the adjacent top layer. This shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of velocity. Tau is directly proportional to du by dy. Tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Mu is equal to viscosity, where mu is the constant of proportionality or coefficient of dynamic viscosity. Du by dy represents rate of shearing stress or rate of change of shear deformation or velocity gradient. Mu is equal to tau upon du by dy. Tau is equal to shear stress. Thus viscosity is defined as shear stress required to produce unit rate of shear strain. Unit equal to shear stress upon change in velocity upon change in distance. F upon a, m per second upon m, Newton per second, m per second upon m, that is Newton per second per meter square, or poise. 1 poise equal to 0.1 Newton second per meter square. Kinematic viscosity defined as dynamic viscosity and density of fluid. Its unit is meter square per second or Stokes. Newton's law of viscosity states that shear stress on fluid elements layer is directly proportional to the shear strain. The constant of proportionality is called coefficient of viscosity. Tau is equal to mu upon du by dy. Type of fluids: ideal fluid, ideal plastic fluid, non-plastic fluid, Newtonian fluid. Velocity gradient is denoted by du upon dy. Shear stress is denoted by tau. Ideal fluid: fluid which is incompressible and having no viscosity is known as ideal fluid. Ideal fluid is only imaginary fluid as well as fluid which have some viscosity. Real fluid which possess viscosity is known as real fluid. All the fluid actual practice are in real fluid. Newtonian fluid, in which shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, is known as Newtonian fluid. Shear stress not proportional to rate of shear strain, non-Newtonian fluid. A fluid in which shear stress is more than yield value and shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of shear strain is known as ideal plastic fluid. Problems on viscosity. If velocity distribution over a plate is given by u is equal to 2 by 3 y minus y square, in which u is the velocity meter per second at distance y in meter about a plate, determine shear stress. Y is equal to 0 meter, y is equal to 0.15 meter. Take dynamic viscosity of fluid 8.63 poise. U is equal to 2 by 3 y minus y square. To find shear stress tau, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0.15. U is equal to 2 by 3 y minus y square. Du by dy equal to 2 by 3 minus 2y. Du by dy equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 into 0. Du by dy equal to 2 by 3. Mu tau is equal to mu into du by dy 0.6863 into 2 by 3 0.575 Newton per meter square. To find tau 0.15, one Stokes is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 meter per second. One poise equal to 0.1 Newton per second square. Okay, surface tension is defined as tensile force acting on the surface of the liquid in contact with gas or on the surface between the two immersible liquids such that contact surface behaves like a membrane. Under tension it is denoted by tau. Its unit is Newton per meter. Surface tension on liquid probe. Its formula is pressure on the area is equal to P into pi by 4d square. Surface tension on liquid jet. P is equal to 2 sigma upon d. Expression of capillary rise. Let capital H be the height of liquid in tube, small h equal to height of rise of liquid in a tube. Sigma is equal to surface tension of liquid, rho density of water, theta equal to angle of contact between the liquid and gas tube. H is equal to 4 sigma upon rho GD. H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta upon rho GD. In this way, we complete our first chapter about introduction of fluid mechanics.